In this video, we will be covering the installation process for the KidsFlex special purpose restraint. The installation process is the same for all sizes of the KidsFlex. The first thing to highlight for installation is the use of the ISOFIX system, which is supplied as standard with the car seat in Australia. The ISOFIX system is used to stabilise the seat, especially when utilising the swivel base to turn the seat towards the vehicle door. In order to use the ISOFIX system, it is necessary for the vehicle to have ISOFIX attachment points, such as the one shown here. The ISOFIX adapter for the KidsFlex must be placed inside the dedicated slots at the rear of the base. The connection can then be made by pushing the ISOFIX latches over the connection points in the vehicle. There should be an audible click when the latches connect. To test the connection, gently pull on each connection point to check it is attached. Now that the ISOFIX points are connected, you can push the restraint rearwards in the vehicle seat so that the KidsFlex is as close to the vehicle backrest as possible. Once the desired position for the KidsFlex has been reached, tighten the 4 grub screws to secure the ISOFIX adapter to the seat base. There are 2 of these screws on each side of the seat. An additional method for stabilising the restraint is to use the clamp bow accessory, which functions very similarly to the ISOFIX adapter. The KidsFlex must always be used with the vehicle seatbelt, which is always used in the same way, regardless of configuration and accessories used. For correct installation of the KidsFlex, the vehicle seatbelt must be used over the top of the child and the restraint. The upper section of the seatbelt passes through the red belt guide located at the side of the back support. The belt can be fed through the belt guide at the side as shown here. This guide can be adjusted independently to the head support by loosening these bolts here. Care should be taken to ensure this adjustment is made to provide a guide of good seatbelt fitment for the user. The lower section of the seatbelt should pass through the red belt guide section closest to the seatbelt origin. The vehicle seatbelt should then pass over the child and the seat, with both sections of the seatbelt passing through the red belt guide on the opposite side of the seat base. The vehicle seatbelt can now be buckled into the receiver. Take care to ensure that the seatbelt is not twisted and that the path is not unintentionally interrupted. And there we have it, a perfectly installed KidsFlex special purpose restraint.